Here we have the birthday girl.
Girl power.
Woo!
I drink it.
What?
I drink it. Puppets. I see balloons. I see balloons.
Okay. Myla, come on. I wonder what that's for.
Trampoline.
Yeah.
What is going on? Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness. Can I open one?
Yes.
Gift card. Yay! And whatever this thing is.
All right, Myla has decided to open another one. Oh.
You got this. It's not even tape. Dad!
We're not the best wrappers. I'll tell you that.
I say mom's the better one.
I don't think so.
I got a mystery cookie. 8.
Literally an 8.
Oh, so what you have? 8-year-old.
Why?
How are you getting so big?
I don't know.
If you guys can't tell, we're doing a heart theme.
My present since I'm really super sad, so you wanna help me?
Myla's just the best big sister in the world.
Wait.
Amelia Bedelia. Oh, this is a good one.
This is heavy.
Wait, hold on.
You got the gummy yummy!
I got the gummy.
And you got the bubble.
So that's okay. Myla's been trying to learn
A blow up bubble.
how to blow bubbles.
Wait, should I try one?
And this is the best gum
I'm gonna try.
to learn.
This is. It's actually super cute.
Isn't that so cute?
And that. And you got this.
Yeah, this cute little headband.
What happened to?
Yeah, we'll work on that.
You try it? That's this in here.
Yeah, that looks good.
A boop. A boop.
The birthday girl's breakfast.
We just got done with church.
Woo! Let's see the fit. This is the birthday fit, y'all. We've got a cute little heart.
Top.
Yes.
We got a pink Bible.
Yep.
What is it?
Some
Heart pants. Look at these. Cute little headband.
And lastly,
Shoes. Little sneakers.
so cute outfit.
She's ready to conquer her birthday. Oh no, baby's upset. What's going on, baby?
It's a tofu butter accident.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let's try to. Hold on, let's. There you go. You need some milky. Come here.
And a whole truck.
What do you want me to do? You want to order? I was a little cranky on Myla's birthday.
So I'm not happy.
Alright, let's see. Myla, do you want me to unbox it? Would that be a little easier?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. You handle the vlog.
We're trying to open this, but it's
Let's
really hard.
first, we'll take the decorations out.
Directions.
Wait, decorations.
Those
Baby's
are
hungry.
decorations. There's a kissy. There's a kissy.
This, I think.
See? Marshmallows! Ooh, a knife. I got a knife. Oh,
Here's your
knife.
kiss.
Oh.
Wow.
Bella!
Wait, there's one out.
chocolate syrup.
Oh, milk.
Milk.
And then real quick. This
Oh, this is the best. Sprinkles.
Wait, they actually say like sprinkles.
What is this for?
Oh,
We're making a cake. We're making a birthday cake for Myla. For her
yeah,
birthday.
it's going to be like this. Oh, definitely.
Uh-oh, it's
Strawberries.
hot. Let me grab it. Here, I'll pull it off me. Oh, goodness. She's got it. Wow. Oh, goodness. She's got it.
See?
Wow.
Mom, it's like this. Remember?
Cupcakes.
Mom.
Okay, we've got everything.
Set up.
And these are all the different ones we can make. Okay, this is what the girls made.
And the
Good
picture
looks.
Dad made. And a notebook. Oh, look.
Cute.
We're doing a hula hoop contest. And whoever wins gets a special surprise. And so, like for Mom's team.
Woo!
And share for Dad's.
Whoop, whoop. Share it up.
And then comment for Everly.
Woo!
And then subscribe for me because that's a good sign because my shirt's red. So let's go.
First up is Everly. Woo!
Second.
All right, here we go. Ev's gonna vlog me doing it. Ready?
Bye.
That was good. That wasn't bad.
Next up is that.
Hold on. And here's Dad. He's stretching out. He's got a bad back. And he's getting old. He's got some old hips.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Give me one
Second
more.
chance. Second chance. These back muscles haven't been waking up in a long time. That's pretty good, sweetie. That's pretty good.
I'm stretching.
Oh, she's stretching her back
What?
out.
We're going to stretch it.
Oh, baby's sleeping.
Oh, goodness. Okay. All right, this seems pretty stretched out.
I'm going to do a not a common place to do it. So
Myla.
Where are you doing it?
we're doing it on the neck.
Okay.
Last is the best.
Oh my goodness. Oh! Whoa!
Subscribe if you think mine's the best. No, Quimmy.
Okay. Well, Myla, your sister's the one screaming. Everly said. Per Myla's request, we are eating dinner at
Pizza.
Close! Plaza Azteca. Our robot was broken, unfortunately.
So you couldn't.
No, but look at
You can eat it.
Mila's wonderful dinner, her birthday dinner. All right, let's try it. Oh, and she got some queso, of course. Thank you.
Here, Myla.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Patricia. Happy birthday to you.
Cake.
Me, get the first bite.
Do you have anything else to say? Bless you.
I say this is the best
Sleepy
day ever.
You need some milky?
And last but not least, happy birthday, Myla.
We love you.
8 years old. Love you. Give kisses.
Ew. I'm done.
Peace. Peace out, vlog.